How can you use screen recording in your Oppo Reno 7 Android mobile phones? So here we go. So to screen recording, what you have to do, just scroll down your screen. Now here you can see it. Okay, here you can see a screen recording is here. So you just have to click it. Okay, you just have to click in the screen recording, and after clicking score in the screen you will get to see um, red color. It will be blink, and with blinking you will get to see push and play. After that, there you will get to see setting options together. Okay, if you just click in the blink, then it will be recording your video, and after in the middle you can see pause and play. If you just click it, then it will be stop and just gone. Okay, so this is how you have to use the screen recording, and at last you have to just click it for the blinking to stop and end the screen recording. So this is how you have to do in your Android mobile phone. So this is the video, and thanks for watching it.